So this is what it looks like at the moment. So our daddy Mike is packing his stuff. He's leaving us. Where are you going, Daddy?
Huh?
Where are you going? Are you leaving?
Leaving it.
Dad's leaving us, Mama.
Yeah, I know. You have to be quick. Oh, oh!
I'm not a girl. I'm a big girl.
You're a big girl, you are. Oh.
Okay, Mommy.
Are you?
Don't smile.
Don't smile.
Mommy.
Yeah? What do you want me to do? Cry? You don't want me to smile?
No, I don't like you to cry. I don't like you to smile or cry. I'm not being angry. I need you to carry this. Because I may break my wheel. And I break my wheel. Could you carry me?
I've looked that up.
It's Tuesday, people.
1, 2, 3, go!
Someone's going to childcare. Ate, good morning, Ate. Wave here. Hey, drink first. Swallow. Good girl.
Hi.
Yeah, look in the camera.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning
Welcome.
to our channel. And today I'm going
Where are you going today?
to go.
Where are you going?
School.
School? Nandito kami sa labas. It's a beautiful day. Tingnan nyo. Very sunny. Inon lang ni Daddy Mike yung sasakyan kasi it's pretty warm inside. And make sure na cool down before na may ilagay yung mga baguette sa loob. Oh, Daddy! Not yet. So, Celine is here. Umalis kasi si Daddy tsaka si Celine kanina. Nag-walking sila while I'm getting Ate Paris ready. So, nakatulog ang ating baby girl. Tingnan natin. Tingnan nyo. Oh, Diyos. Madilim ba? Hindi kita. Drop na namin to siya sa kanyang paaralan. What have you got in there? What the?
And I got my name. P-A-R-I-S.
Good job, sweetie girl. Here's your bag. Ito ang
Thank you,
kanyang
Mama.
You're welcome, sweetheart. You're so sweet, you know that? Yan. So, we'll drop her and then punta kami ni Daddy Mike sa Mount Beverly Shops siguro. It's not.
I want you inside.
Oh, do you want to put this inside? Okay. Sure, my love. I can do that for you. Here you go.
Mine.
Is that close? Your water? I'm not sure it's not working.
Where's my toys?
I did not bring toys to school. Remember, the teacher will take it.
No, I want to get that.
That's okay. Put it on your back. You're a good girl. Thank you.
No toys inside.
Yes, good girl. And after that, meron tayong, actually, marami tayong gagawin today. So, pupunta kami ng Mount Beverly Shops after dropping Paris. Actually, dalhin ko pa pala to. Kasi, nabenta ni mami nyo online, guys. Yung aking ring, hindi ko na naman nasusuot. So, I sold it online. Tingnan nyo, ang aking diamond ring. So, we'll go to the post office to post that. And then, gusto ko rin magpa-dry clean. So, ayan. I-dry clean natin. And then, I'd like to go to Manong Zapatero. Kasi, ang aking shoes, ito siya. Ayan. Kailangan niya ng sa ilalim. Oh, kasi mapupudpud siya ba kapag wala siyang hindi siya pinalagyan ng parang sole protector. Ayan. Kasi gusto ko siyang isuot sa guys, sa Christmas. Alam niyo, malapit na mga yung mga holidays, okasyon, ganyan. So gusto ko to siyang suotin and I wanna make sure na comfortable and also safe. Ayan. So we'll see kung magagawa natin lahat yan. Hindi naman yan siya mababalik straight away. It will take, a few days before yan mangyayari. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And then, we're gonna do, when we come back, we're gonna do a few more boxing. Itong box, tingnan nyo. Itong box na to, papadala ko sa Pilipinas, LBC. So this time, LBC, kasi nga, 'di ba? Kung napanood nyo yung video natin last time, yung ninakawan yung balikbayan box ko, but ibang kumpanya yun. So, I'm trying LBC. I'm hoping that, you know, everything will be fine. Hindi ko pa to siya na-close talaga. So, this is one. Tingnan nyo yung nilagay ko, guys. So, see, write a personal message to your loved ones. I love you, fam. Hope it gets there safely. So, hopefully naman, no, yung mga kawatan, hindi sila anong tawag dito? Hindi ma-touch yung kanilang heart. Okay. We miss you all. Stay safe and healthy until we can hug each other again. Sabi pa ni Daddy Mike, ay kung magnanakaw talaga, wala na silang pakialam sa message mo, 'di ba? But, you know, LBC is known, you know, ever since nung bata pa ako, ito talaga yung naririnig ko na may reputation. And, yeah, hopefully, this one will get there safely. Kagaya ng sinabi ko dyan. So, hindi ko pa siya na-close. Tingnan nyo, oh. Sabi ko sa mama ko, ma, parang inano ko na lang lahat dyan. Kayo na bahala mag-segregate pagdating dyan. Kasi, gusto ko lang na mailagay sa box yung mga, hindi na nga namin dito magagamit. Kasi, we're moving. And, sayang naman kung itapon, diba? Kung pwede pang maibigay sa pamilya ko. They'll be really, you know, happy. Makatanggap ng mga ganito. So, yesterday sa vlog natin, diba kumuha din kami ng 2 pang box. Kasi, madami pa talaga dito mga bagay-bagay na gusto kong ipadala sa family ko sa Pinas. And then, we'll start doing boxing as well sa mga damit ko na dadalhin namin sa paglipat namin. So, from now on, you know, mag-start ng mag-box-box, like every day, may box na i-close, ganun, para hindi na siya masyadong mabigat pagdating ng araw ng move. So, yun yung chika. We'll go now kasi late na si Ate Paris natin. Speak to you soon. Nailagay na natin ang ating baby girl dyan. What is it? Tingnan nyo, tulog pa rin. Uy, very light.
Mommy.
Very bright. Sure. Okay. Ayun, nilalagay na dad dyan ang ating ham. Ito pala yung 2 boxes ng LBC. So, yan yung pupunuin natin mamaya. Let's go! Let us go, Sago.
Mommy.
Yes, na?
No more.
You don't want it anymore?
Yeah, I'll finish.
What do you want?
Give it to me when I'm finished my... No.
You have some? I'll have it.
Hey, Mommy. Don't eat it. It's mine.
I got some more.
I'll get you some more later. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
How are you?
Yeah, good.
I want
All right.
bread. I want bread.
You want bread?
Okay. This is better. This one there. Paris Nico. Kayo mo. So, see you later, Tita. Hi. Give mommy a smile. So, Daddy drop Ate Paris, guys. Kami lang dito sa sasakyan. 2. Nagising ang ating baby girl. Hello, sweetheart. Are you okay there? Are you okay there? It's a bit warm, isn't it, nak? Kus ko na itong aircon, nak, ha? Nak, ha? Murag. There you go. There you go. I know. I hope hindi siya iiyak, guys. Like, you know, she's due for her, milky soon. Shh. Celine Ray? Celine Ray, Mommy is calling you, anak. Shh. Psst. Psst. Okay, di bali-bali. Okay, di bali-bali kang mama. Hey, Josh, I love you, anak. I love you, anak. Hello, everyone. Kakadede lang yan. Kiki. Nandito kami sa harapan ng dry cleaning place. And, for some reason, kahit yung nakalagay sa garment ay dry clean only, sabi nila, hindi daw nila i-recommend na i-dry clean. Kailangan daw i-hand wash. Ewan ko sa kanila, Ewan ko sa kanila, so I'm just gonna take it somewhere else. I think Daddy Mike and Jan will take Celine out because we need to go to the post office and to the Manong Zapatero. Nak na? Busog na ka? Busog na ang baby na mo? Palangga ko sa mama. I see you, tita and tito, later. Oh, by the way, guys, she is 4 months old today. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. It's your birthday today, 4 months. Big girl na kayo ni mama. Big girl na kayo ni mama. Ay, oo, big girl na kayo. Ni. Tingnan nyo to siya, Nak, madayagonal na lagi ka, nak. Diagonal na malagi na yung mga itsura diha, nak. Tingnan nyo, kanina, full pa to siya. Kaya lang, ginanyan ko kasi medyo mainit sa labas kanina, ba? Na-expose ang kanyang paa. Palangga pa sa mama na. Princess Celine Ray. Celine Ray. Hi! Ay, go to sleep na, anak. Nagising to siya kasi kinuha ko siya sa sasakyan na tulog na ka na. Titi! Na. Ngayon ay magre-ready na kami ng aming mga boxes and all para meron kaming ma-achieve today. So, while we were at the shops, bumili ako nito. So, more tapes, ganyan. Kasi magagamit natin yan sa ating boxing. And then, pumunta pala ako ng Chemist Warehouse. Nagbili ako nito. Pabango for myself. Ayan. Alam nyo guys, minsan lang talaga ako bumibili ng pabango. Like, once in a blue moon lang talaga. Ayan. Meron kasi akong ang tawag dito, naamoy before na sobrang bango niya. Tinanong ko siya, sabi niya Burberry. So ayan, gaya-gaya po tumaya. And then, while nandun ako, bumili na rin ako nito para ilagay ko sa box natin. Ayan, so pabango din to siya. Ayan. And then, ayan, nakita ko to siya doon naka-style. So binili ko rin. First time ko mag-try nito, guys. Gusto kong i-try. Then I've got my banh mi, my Vietnamese pork roll, and then let's start the packing. Daddy's there now. Tignan niyo. LBC boxes. LBC boxes. I know you're sleepy, man, anak. Okay. Update tayo, guys. So this is what it looks like at the moment. So our Daddy Mike is packing his stuff. He's leaving us. Where are you going, Daddy?
Huh?
Where are you going? Are you leaving?
Leaving you.
So ito, isa. Ito yung first box ni Daddy Mike. Nilalagay niya dito yung mga, niya, tingnan niyo. She's doing it. The little one is there. Unsa naman na siya diha? Have a look. Is she okay?
Yeah.
Kakarating ko lang pala, guys. Pabalik ako ng shop kasi itong ating Ate Paris ay ginamit pala tong permanent markers tapos hindi niya nilagay ulit yung lid. So, nag-dry siya. Hindi ko na magamit-gamit. So, I had to go to the shop quickly. Bumili na rin ako nito kasi she loves this. She loves playing with this. And, ito siya. Yung, tingnan nyo, ang tawag ito. Super strong tape. Ito yung ilalagay ko sa, sa padala natin sa Pinas. Ito. So, yeah. Kasi ibabox na sana dapat ni Daddy Mike yung ating balikbayan box. Yung pangalawa. Sabi ko, kailangan ko sulatan muna ng details, bago i-box kasi mahirap na sulatan kapag naka-box na. Hey, what are you doing? Nilagay siya ng daddy niya sa bed to siya nung umalis ako. Pagdating ko dito sa bahay, nilagay na dito ng kanyang daddy, hindi strap. And she keeps moving. So, ayan. Tagak na siya karong taon-taon. What are you biting? Is that a banana? It's a yellow banana. Tingnan nyo guys, hukas-hukas. Mainit kasi ang panahon. Yellow banana. Banana. So, ito yung sinasabi ko guys. Kasi, yung kinuha lang ni Daddy Mike for, itong box na to, 15 pieces. So, tingnan nyo yung mapapasok. So, lang,
I reckon I'll almost fit all of my clothes into one box.
One box.
One box and luggage.
Mm.
And then the rest I'll chuck out. Or give to the Philippines.
Yeah. Kasi alam niyo naman, sobrang dami naming gamit. Mostly mga damit, diba? So, alam niyo, ito, yung iba dito nga, ay nilagay ko na dyan sa first box natin. So, ito yung mga gamit ni Daddy Mike na ipapadala namin sa Pilipinas. Kasi, oh my God, sobrang daming damit ni Daddy Mike, guys. So, ayan, mga damit niya, andyan na yung iba. Tapos, ito pa siya. Tapos, may iba pa doon sa kwarto na ilalabas niya. So, ito yung mga, yung mga shirt niya, yung mga shorts, ganyan. Mga bago pa to siya, guys. Wala pang mga holes to. Ayan, yung mga ganyan, o, diba? And, what's a good thing is, the same yung, size ni Daddy Mike sa papa, saka kuya ko, tapos yung mga kaangkulan, mga silingan. Pati na yung kapitbahay sinali. Hindi kasi nagbibigay din sa kapitbahay, guys. Naman, hindi tayo magdadamot. Diba? Share blessings. Ayan, see? Yung mga jacket niya, ayan, minsan, kasi bumibili yan siya online, tapos hindi niya sinusuot, kasi minsan, hindi niya type, pagdating dito. So, ito yung mga ilalagay natin sa second box, tapos yung mga damit, mga pambata. Ewan ko kung sino magsusuot, kasi wala namang pambaby. Wala namang baby sa Pilipinas ngayon, but, yeah, so, find someone. Ayan, mga gamit na yan. And then, tingnan nyo, so, Daddy Mike will also give some pairs of, sneakers. Hayaan nyo na dito ha, very messy. Kasi, ayan, kakarating lang, kanina. Bago na naman to. Okay, sana all. Daddy Mike, sana all. Always buying, sneakers.
I can buy 10 pairs before you buy one. With my price.
Yeah, sure. Na Daddy Mike is, guys, ano tawag dito? Practical din yun siya magbili. Practical shopper, ganon. Ano lang yung binibili niya, yung hindi talaga mamahalin. Mga ganito, may mga presyo pa rin, pero hindi talaga yung full price. Minsan, siya ng mga sale. Is this one on sale rin?
40.
$40 lang daw to. Nike. So, my kuya and my papa will be really happy because they'll have like, Daddy Mike sneakers and all that. Very lovely. Nak, no! Tingnan niyo yan siya dyan. Oh! What are you doing, anak? Are you okay? Are you okay? Can you help, Nak? Boxing? Can you help? No, Daddy, I haven't seen this one before. Tingnan niyo. May mga damit pa yan siya na hindi ko nakita na sinuot niya before.
Look at
Onitsuka. What's that?
Tiger brand. Japanese one.
Okay.
You like it?
Yeah. Yeah, I like all them. This one is nice, Bob.
Yeah.
Los
Keeping it.
Angeles. May iba pa dyan. And then, ilalabas ko pa yung sa akin. Gusto kong, pala guys, gusto ko talagang yung kunti na lang yung maiwan sa akin ba. Papadala ko na talaga yung mostly sa, sa family ko sa Pinas. Para, pag bago na yung bahay namin, new home sa Brisbane, then,
Goggles.
and then,
Goggles,
parang, fresh start, ganon.
And then
So, what's this one, Bob?
Philippines.
Really? Ayan, dinagdagan na naman ni Daddy Mike. Tingnan nyo, yung mga jeans. Laki talaga tong yung mga,
Oy.
mga, lalaki sa Pinas. Oh, sobrang ganda pa nito, guys. Tingnan nyo. Bongga! Bonggang bongga. Ayan, mga shirt niya. Yan yung ilalagay ko sa, dito. Dito, sa loob nito, nandun na yung mga chocolates, yung sabon para sa mama ko, shampoo, conditioner, yung mga ganun ba. Nandyan na yan lahat. Dito sa pangalawa at pangatlo, mostly, mainly talaga ay mga damit. Yung mga ano, kasi sayang man siya i-donate kung maibigay ko naman sa family ko sa Pinas, diba? So, yun na lang yung gagawin. Goodness. At ito yung mga ganito, hindi ko na lang to siya dadalhin. Ganito. Ipadala ko to sa mama ko. Itong mga ganito. Mga plastic lang ba? Tapos yung iba, ito may iwan na to. It's very messy here, eh. Daddy, are you gonna take your Buddha? Let's have a look what Tara's done. Are you gonna take this one? Ha?
Maybe. Probably not.
Ito yung mga ganito. Para sa bahay namin doon. Ay, ang dami pang gagawin, guys. Update ko na lang kayo ulit mamaya, okay? Okay, nanak!
A few moments later.
I want to mom.
How are you gonna ride it? If you have something in your hand. Come on.
It's okay, Mom. Very nice picture.
Yeah.
But it might go down.
We're going now. See, Daddy and Celine is going. Ganda, guys, oh. It's still flowering. Summer na pala dito sa Australia, guys. It's December mag-start yung summer.
Like that.
Are you warm enough?
Yeah, wrong. I like it.
Okay.
Because I'm leaving us, Mama.
Yeah, no, you have to be quick. Oh, oh!
I'm not a fool. I'm a big girl.
You're a big girl, you are. Oh.
Okay, Mommy.
Are you?
Don't smile.
Don't smile.
Mommy.
Yeah? What do you want me to do? Cry? You don't want me to smile?
No, I don't like you to cry. I don't want you to smile or cry. I'm not being angry. I need you to carry this. Because I may break my wheel.
Come on.
And I break my wheel. Could you carry me? Mommy, can...
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Mommy, just...
Oh, you can do it.
By the rock.
It's fine. You can do it. You're a strong girl.
Oh, yes, I am.
See? Told you should try so you know.
I'm sorry, Mama.
It's okay.
I thought I can't.
You thought you can't, but you can, yeah? Try. You have to try first before you say you can't. Understood?
Yeah.
Good.
No, that's here. Hey, wait for me.
So, we'll go, ano pala guys, sabi ni Daddy Mike, we'll go to 7-Eleven na lang da.
Look, it's there.
Sivin,
Don't run it over.
Sivin.
Watch out for the ball.
Tingnan nyo, nag-ano na ako, nag-jacket na ako kasi medyo magilaw na rin siya. Ay, sis, are you talking? Are you talking? Wow, you're a big girl, aren't you? Ashush! Noisy girl. You're right, ate? Mamaya, pagka-uwi namin, then, yeah, tatapusin, patulog yung dalawa, tatapusin namin yung boxes. And you know what pala, guys? So, minamadali ko yung LBC boxes natin kasi a couple days ago, tinawagan ko sila para mag-book ng pick-up ng isang box. So, pipick upin nila ngayong Thursday kasi once a week lang yung pick-up nila dito sa lugar namin. So, I'm hoping na pag natapos ko yan siya tonight, yung dalawang extra boxes, I'm hoping na parang kaya ba nilang i-pick up sa Thursday din. Tawagan ko sila bukas and let them know na may additional na 2 boxes. So, 3 boxes altogether. And hopefully, they all can go at the same time. So, yun yung plano. So, kahit na siguro anong oras na ako matulog tonight, matapos ko lang yung box. Para isahan na lang ba. Good girl. Sobrang taas pa ng araw. And nagsend ako ng pictures kanina sa family ko sa Facebook.
Mommy.
Yes, Nana. Messenger ba? Group namin. Sabi ko, yung mga damit ni Danny Mike, nako. Sobrang daming makakasuot nun. Kasi pagdating doon, alam niyo na, may mga, ano, yes, anak? May mga, anong tawag dun, guys? Uncle ba? Anong tawag dun? Tiyuhin. Nagkay, di ka balog Tagalog. May mga tiyuhin.
Dad's going to left us here.
Yeah, he's leaving us. We're going to end the vlog here now, guys, ha? Kasi after nito, uwi kami and then, alam niyo na, you know, like, mom life na. We'll get the kids ready and all. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Nak, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up, thumbs up, anak. Hello, Paris. Thumbs up. Thumbs up, Celine. Thumbs up.
Ah.
And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. Oh, too bright. We hope to see you all on the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Careful, bye.
Oi.
Mwah.